So the incidents that I'd come across, mainly where I turn the camera on, is anything that's confrontational or could possibly lead to confrontation.
The feature with the 30 seconds is quite good for security officers. When they deal with something, a lot of the time they forget to switch their cameras on, whereas after they can think about it, switch their cameras on, and everything they've done has been recorded.
The function of it, the fact that it records 30 seconds before, is a game changer. It means I'm not just recording what's happened initially, I'm also recording what happened before.
As soon as someone knows they've been recorded, they'll stop what they've done, or they could accuse you of doing something, provoking them. But whereas if you have that 30-second loop prior to it, then you're sorted.
If they know that every action is being recorded, they are more confident to approach a situation.